Hello everyone, got a Chinese tank here from the brand Xcartoys in a 1/64 scale. You don't see that much military models in 1/64 scale. It's the G019 2. Xcartoys made more tanks, got another one right here. Already did a review about it, but it's always good to refresh your memory. Let's have a look at the package. The National Treasures, Xcartoys G series model collection. Okay. Picture of the tank. 1/64. And here we got some more information, freeze to frame, if you want to read it. Okay. Let's take off the plastic. Pretty big box and also heavy. Ooh, I see that something came off. So we have to use some glue. I'm going to put it here. Yep. So although it's very well packed, and there is also a possibility to break something. It's a rough journey. Probably it came from here. This should be all the way up, I think. Yeah. I think another part has broken. How does it look on the picture? So you have two antennas ready. It's right behind this one. So I think it should be right here. Okay, barrel is right here. There we go. So let's have a look at it first without the barrel. Does it has moving tracks? Yes, it has rubber moving tracks. It has a metal base. This tank doesn't need a license plate. Oh, doorbell's ringing. That means there is a package. Yes, new packages arrived, so more reviews are coming. Okay, where were we? I like the camouflage. This here is all diecast. So here it is all made out of diecast. This here on top, the turret, is made out of plastic. Okay, machine gun on top is moving. So this should not be like this. It should be straight. But if I... the risk that it will break is very high. Okay, I think this is the best I can do. Okay, let's put the barrel on it. So it is one-way fit, as you can see. It goes in like this. A little bit pressure. You can see it's moving. Rolls really good. Turns 360 degrees. Can you open the hatch? Yes, even that is possible. So you can put a figure inside if you want. How about this one? I'm looking for something to open it. Oh, cool. I think it's very important that they can open. If you have a figure, and even a 172 figure will look cool. I will show you that. Yeah, machine gun will stay on its place. Smoke grenades here on the side. So a very cool looking tank. As you know, I'm a big fan of tanks. Ah, here it is. Oh, no. Where is it? Oh, damn it. Is it here? Oh, no. There it is. There it is. Maybe it will. There we go. It was not broken. It just fell out. As you can see, no, maybe it's difficult to see, but I'll show you. See? Same as the barrel. So it goes in like this. It's a little bit difficult to see on the camera, but there we go. It was not broken. Oh yeah, this is it. I can see you. Not sure if it's the camera. Probably, yeah, it must be some sensor. Although I like tanks, but I'm not a tank expert. Can make some nice photos with this one. Yes, we have another Chinese tank right here. Also from Xcartoys, also in a 1/64 scale. Light tank, heavy armor version. So this one is a little bit smaller. Like I said, already did a review about it. Yeah, it goes in like this. There we go. Also very heavy. Just like this, just like the other tank. This is plastic. This is all die-cast. Got moving tracks. Best to take it out once in a while and move the tracks, otherwise they will break. Again, this is moving. Look like there is a minigun next to it. Smoke grenades are here. Barrel also moving. Turret can turn. Okay, and also the hatch can open, both of them. I'll show you. Oop. Yeah, very good quality tank. And Panzerkampf is also coming with the 1/64 Abrams. Now, I already have a 1/64 Abrams in the collection, and I will show you. Yes, I do have some more Xcartoys military stuff. Xcartoys has a lot of military models. Most of them are Chinese. Well, I think every military model they got is Chinese. Did a review about all of these. You can look it up on my channel. They're really cool. Not 1/64 scale, a little bit smaller. This one. And this one, Dongfeng. Oh, yeah. Also a Dongfeng, Chinese Humvee, UN. I think most of them, yeah. Also kind of cool, right? Time Micro Willies. this one still in the package. Okay, I was looking for a 164 Abrams. We got that one right here. It's from the brand Gory, from the Tactical Strike set. And got one right here out of the package. Let's place this soldier right here. And the one with the rocket right here. And then we can take out the 164 Abrams. Already did a review about it, but then you can see the size of the Abrams. And this one is also made out of metal. And even this, the turret, is also made of metal. This is really good quality. And I was glad I found two of those. One in the package and one out of the package. Even it is even weathered. That makes it even better. No moving tracks, but that's okay for me. Some accessories on the side. Yeah, metal, metal, metal. .50 machine gun and a 762 machine gun. If you want to see more details of this, check my other video. Now I'm only showing you the size of how big it is. Pretty big tank, definitely the biggest here of these three. But the Chinese tank is also not bad. It's also pretty big. Yep. Okay, now we want some... let's see, do I have... No? Ah, yeah, I've got one right here. This is actually sold as an Israeli tank soldier, but I think it's perfect for Chinese tank. Maybe I can put it right here. No, it's fall off. Come on. Okay, that's the best I can do. Yeah, I think it's perfect for a 164 model. Does the job really good. Oh, there you go again. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. And don't forget to check my other tank videos. Have a very nice day. Happy hunting. Bye.